Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a demon goddess figure. Not sure what she is yet, so I'm still looking for a name. So if you have any ideas, shoot. As always, I start by blocking the brows with a little bit of Elmer's glue and then topping it with some powder. I'm using an orange lipstick to color correct the darkness of the brows. Very important since we won't really be covering it with anything else but white face paint. Setting it with powder again once it's fully covered, and I keep doing this until I am happy with the result. Then we start like any other regular makeup. We start with our base. This is a primer from Astra. I'm quickly rubbing it all over my face. It doesn't have to be that perfect. I'm using the lightest shade of the Revolution Conceal and Glow foundation, and I add a little bit of white SFX cream from NYX Cosmetics. And then I blend those in together to get a very pale base. Also make sure you don't blend too much on top of your brows because you might mix the pigment with the base color. The best way would be to just lightly tap it on. Then I'm using a super light concealer as well, and I go over the brows and underneath the eyes for concealing, and then I mix everything together with my foundation, and for me that was the ideal base. She's not too white, she's not too pale. Perfect. I'm using this Swear By It palette from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna use the red tones, the grayish tones, and I'm really gonna focus underneath the eyes. I really want her to look a bit sick, dead but sexy, but make it e-girl style, you know. And of course some heavy contouring. We need cheekbones for the gods. I also did some contouring on the nose to make it super tiny and small because that's cute. And overall I added a little bit of the brown shadows to make her look even more thick and dead. Here I'm applying a little eyeliner, as you can see, but the purpose of it was not to lift but really just elongate the eye, so it's pretty low. More like kind of the puppy eyeliner we've been seeing on TikTok. And then I went in with a gorgeous Bordeaux shade to go on top of the eye and really follow the brow bone. I don't know, there is something about these looks that are super sexy. I mean, I was feeling these dark, dead looking eyes. I wanted to have some tribal scars underneath the eyes, so here I am pre-painting them, and then I'm gonna go over them with a product called Collodion. It applies as kind of, it looks like a polish, nail polish, and you just apply it all over the mark you just made, and then it will dry and pull the skin together. It's such a cool product and super easy to work with, and you get amazing results instantly. I added like 3 or 4 layers to really get an intense effect. And also I want to add, do not just peel them off when you're done, just make sure you use a proper remover for it. I decided to give her some vampire-like skin with this beautiful highlighter from Kaleidos Makeup. And for the lips, I kept it super simple, a little line in the middle of the lips and then also a little bit on the sides to make it more wide. The most of the intensity was really focused on the center of the lips, and then I just blended everything together with a small brush with a little bit of highlighter and powder on top. I also added some lashes to make it more dramatic, and there she is. The crown is self-made. I made it a couple of years ago for my NYX Face Awards challenge, and I kept it and I've been using it for so long. Really hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to like and follow for more. See you!